The 2025 Ford Transit stands as a testament to Ford's commitment to innovation and adaptability in the commercial vehicle sector. Designed to cater to a diverse range of business needs, the latest iteration of this iconic van introduces a suite of enhancements that blend performance, efficiency, and modern technology. Under the hood, the 2025 Transit offers two robust engine options. The standard 3.5L V6 engine delivers 275 horsepower, providing reliable power for daily operations. For those seeking enhanced performance, an available 3.5L EcoBoost V6 engine offers increased power and efficiency, ensuring that the Transit can handle demanding tasks with ease. The vehicle's drivetrain options have been thoughtfully designed to enhance handling and maximize traction. The available intelligent all-wheel drive system ensures stability across various driving conditions without compromising the vehicle's load floor or seat height, making it as accessible as the standard model. Ford has also focused on reducing operational costs. The 2025 Transit boasts up to a 48% reduction in scheduled maintenance costs compared to its gas and diesel predecessors. This significant cost-saving measure is complemented by available local, state, and federal incentives for electric vehicles, making the e-Transit an economically sound choice for businesses. The e-Transit variant, Ford's all-electric offering, comes with a starting MSRP of $51,000 for cargo van models. The e-Transit chassis cabin cutaway models are priced at $46,200 and $45,700, respectively. Eligible commercial customers who purchase or lease an e-Transit can benefit from a $2,000 rebate toward charging infrastructure in Ford Pro charging solutions, further enhancing the vehicle's appeal. In terms of design, the 2025 Transit offers a selection of long or extended lengths and roof heights, low, medium, and high. Exterior heights range from 82.4 inches to 108.6 inches, allowing businesses to choose a configuration that best suits their cargo needs. Safety and driver assistance features have not been overlooked. The Transit comes equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, which includes side wind stabilization and electronic stability control, ensuring a secure driving experience. Additional safety features include side seat-mounted airbags, safety canopy system curtain airbags, and an airbag occupancy sensor. The interior of the Transit has been designed with practicality and comfort in mind. The cabin features air conditioning, cruise control, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The available 360-degree split-view camera provides a bird's-eye view of the vehicle's surroundings, including blind spots, enhancing maneuverability in tight spaces. Ford has also addressed the needs of businesses requiring specialized configurations. The 2025 Transit and e-Transit models offer factory-integrated vocational upfit packages and interior accessory kits, allowing for customization to meet specific operational requirements. However, it's important to note that Ford has issued a recall for over 1 million vehicles, including the 2025 Transit, due to a software glitch affecting the rear-view camera. The issue can cause the camera image to freeze, delay, or fail to display when the vehicle is in reverse, increasing the risk of a crash. Ford plans to fix the problem with a free over-the-air software update, with vehicle owners receiving notification letters starting June 16, 2025. In a strategic move, Ford has discontinued the Transit Trail off-road van after just 3 years on the market. Launched in 2022 and targeted at outdoor enthusiasts, the model faced production issues and a decline in demand, leading to its quiet removal from Ford's lineup. Overall, the 2025 Ford Transit emerges as a versatile and forward-thinking vehicle, equipped to meet the evolving demands of businesses. With its range of powertrains, customizable configurations, and emphasis on safety and efficiency, the Transit continues to solidify its position as a leader in the commercial van segment.